It's obviously important to eat a diversity of whole foods. However, there are popular fad diets out there that avoid entire categories of foods such as legumes, nuts, seeds, whole grains, dairy, fruits, and even vegetables. These food restrictions, if done long enough, put you at risk for nutrient deficiencies. And it creates a lazy and ineffective digestive tract because your body's digestive system is not familiar with digesting foods that you've avoided for too long a period of time. All I could say is get off the hype train of fad dieting and create a personalized lifestyle that's tailored for you. If fad diets were so great and healthy, then why does the CDC still say that only 12% of Americans have an optimized functioning metabolism? That means 88% of Americans have an average or deteriorating metabolism. I cover valuable health topics like this in detail by teaching food, nutrition, and behavior concepts to achieve lasting and sustainable health success. To learn more, go to heartfulfoods.com.